Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I'm going to share the coupon code for Qdoba.com. This is Qdoba Mexican Eats website where you can use this 4 fresh coupon code which I am going to share you right now. So how you can use it, simply add this coupon code on the checkout page while buying any food from this website. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code plus deals which is working right now, and if you want to get deals, you can check out the description because I'll share coupon code and deals too for this website. So here is a 4 fresh deals plus coupon code. You can use it right now, and if it is working for you, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code you can use right now.